Welcome to Iowa. This is what we call a blizzard. There's snow blowing over there. How does it feel out there? How does it feel?
Huh?
How does it feel?
Stay out of the wind. It's not too bad. It's hard to stay out of that wind.
It's hard to, isn't it? Looks like it's really hard, I think. It's hard to stay out of the wind, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Be careful. Is it icy? I didn't hear me. Well, that's the blizzard. This isn't really a blizzard, but they're calling it a blizzard warning. Until like 6 o'clock tonight, I think. I think the blizzard part of it comes this afternoon. But anyway, so you can see what it's like. Check back in later, I guess.